Okay, we're going to look at question number 4 now, which asks you to graph the cubic function. So we're going to go in and we're going to key in this cubic function, negative 2x cubed plus 23x squared minus 70 at, oh, pish posh. Yeah, I don't care for this new operating system. Anyway, minus 70x plus 293. So, oops, a daisy. There we go. All right, so let's read this off, make sure I'm right. It's so easy to key this stuff in incorrectly. Okay, so we should have negative 2x cubed, that's correct, plus 23x squared minus 70x plus 293. Okay, so now we'll go do the window. Now on the test, I will actually give you the window. All right, so we do know though we want to graph this function from 0 to 10. That's 1990 to 2000 because the graph starts in 1990. And then we'll just do a zoom fit. Hey, come in.
Can I borrow a pencil? I'm just.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
You can have a pencil.
Thank you.
Okay, so we get this graph right here. Okay. And adjust your window to show the minimum debt of 0. So we do need to adjust it to make sure it only goes down to 0. We don't want to go any farther than that. Right. So that's part A. All right, now part B says, what does the model indicate the debt was in year 1997? So we hit trace, hit 7, and the debt was $244 million. Use your calculator to find the features to find the local min and local max and estimate the values to the nearest tenth. So you'll agree that this right here is a minimum and this right here is a maximum, or local min and local max. So we'll find the minimum first of all. So because I'm using the graphing software on the computer, it's a little bit slower. In terms of its response. All right, good. So we go there, we hit second, that, and we've done this a million times, right? So you enter minimum, left bound, enter, right bound, enter, guess, enter, and we can see that the minimum is in the year is 2.09 years after 1990 with $228.90753 million. So the minimum, the year, in what year was the debt at a minimum was in the year 1992. And if we round down, if we round up, we'll say 1993. Either way is fine. And what was the minimum debt at that time? Local minimum debt. It was $228.9 million. Now we'll find the max. And that's fine. Go left, go right. And the max is 5.57. So that's 1996, and the debt was $271.06 million. Okay, so that is question number 4. Again, the hardest part on doing these is, of course, figuring out what the window is. So when we do it on the test, we will give you the window.